Okay, subscribers, I did that already. I told the young lady about that, and yeah, she should know that. Unfortunately, like I say, somebody, I don't know who, either the person who did it, perpetrator, right, or someone from the church, or someone from Hayfully. So we have a few gulls flying overhead. Just going to move ahead. I kind of want to get out of here as soon as possible. It's going to be very hot. I have at least 3 errands to run, then it just gets too hot. Unfortunately, Miele, yesterday there's no video. I took Miele to the vet, so we started very early. He gained 100 grams in 1 week. I have to say, that's really, really good. So, in 2.5 weeks, he gained 250 grams. That's a lot. That's the most he's ever gained in that short of time. And that has to do with the force feeding him. So, which keeps absolutely believe his appetite is improving because of that as well. So, but today he hid himself away. He doesn't want his breakfast. It is hot though. It's warm. So we'll work on that later. When we get home, perhaps he'll come out. Of course, this weather has been making the cats feel very sleepy. So yesterday, which I don't have on video, Jeremy came down and yeah, he was eating with his mate. Looks like he has a mate. Eating side by side. You can believe that. There they come. Georg Schmidt's not here today. It's always a wonderful day when the janitor of the shopping center, bird killer, is not here. There you go, guys. Go ahead. I'm not sure, Jeremy. Ah, there's Seymour. There's Seymour. There he is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 silver gulls. 5, 4. I count 4 right now. I threw down a little bit less food because a little bit less, well, perhaps a bowl less, not very big, because of the oh wow, Seymour's getting a little bit aggressive there. There we go. Yeah, did you hear that? Did you hear that? See that? I'm not going to translate that. But the other people who know German, perhaps Swiss German, will know what he said. But it wasn't good. There we have our little Luca there. Little Luca's coming in there. I don't think Luca feels very comfortable. This guy is unbalanced. And by the way, I've seen him several times throw down poison, so he's unbalanced. This is true. He has mental problems, but not enough that he doesn't understand that he hates birds and he knows how to kill them. So, very bad. But there's not a shred left. Oh, Jeremy's here. Look, Jeremy's here. There's Jeremy. There's Jeremy. There he goes down. There he goes. He wants one of those eggs. There's our little pigeons. Jeremy comes here every day now looking for food. Every single day, 7 days a week. I don't always get him on video, but he's here. We have a couple of more nuts here. We have the janitor faithfully there doing some watching me as well. These are for our little crows here. Rocky likes to come to this little spot. I don't specifically see Rocky this morning, but put this down here for him. Okay. Hopefully our sparrows get something, because the pigeons are really going to town with that. With that sunflower seed. So far it's quiet. Okay, I'm going to shut down, get on the way where the traffic gets too heavy and it gets too hot. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. There's our lovely birds. We have Luca, the male mallard duck. We have Seymour, silver gull with friends. We have our crows. We have our pigeons. We have our sparrows. There's Petey up on the sign up there. And of course Jeremy, our hawk. Is to come down there. I think he's looking at that egg. I'm not sure I'll be able to accomplish too much today. We'll see. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Love your birds, stay safe, and fight the good fight. Okay? Looks like the gulls are holding their own there. He also smells the cat food, which the hawk would love, okay, because it's all protein. So, anyway, I don't know how much he can get in his little talents of that, but he might drop down and eat some of it, if it's still some left. We'll see you tomorrow morning, hopefully earlier. And here's our little crows getting what's left of our little cashews here I threw down. Taking their little cashews. They're a little bit shell-shocked today. I think that has to do with Georg Schmidt yesterday, the janitor from the shopping center. I think it has to do with that. And the noise they make over there. This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. Have a good one. See you tomorrow.